Alright, welcome back. I'm going to see if this ZR600 is blown up or what's going on with it. But in the last video it broke down, I towed it home. I haven't looked at it and it snowed, so that kind of sucks, but whatever. Let's get to it, see what's wrong with it. Alright, also don't tow on the bumper apparently. Didn't know that. Okay, so I have some new plugs that I'm going to throw in and just see what happens. I also have a boroscope so we can look at the top of the pistons. So I'm going to pull the plugs. We're going to take a peek and see what the pistons look like. Oh, Jesus Christ. Definitely got them tight. So I pulled these plugs when this thing broke down and they looked pretty much fine to me. So I'm curious to see what the scope shows. But I do have new ones, so it would be really sweet if we just put new ones in it and it worked. So it's a little oily, but doesn't look like it's too hot or anything, which is good. Again, I mean, it's a little sooty, but it doesn't look bad. Let's take a little look in here and see if we see anything that looks expensive. Nope. Here, I'll record this so I can use it in the video. All right. See some carbon. Uh-oh, what is that? That doesn't look good. That doesn't look good at all. That looks like a huge gouge on the side of the cylinder wall there. Oh wait, no, that's a port. Duh. Alright, cool. Very cool. Alright, that looks okay. Let's try this one. Piston's too tall, or too high up, so let me move it a little bit. I don't see any major damage, which is good. Alright, well let's put new plugs in it and see what it does. Maybe it'll be fine. I don't know. 2 new plugs. These are NGK BR9 EYA. You want another one? Choke is on. Fuel is low, but I looked in the tank. We're good. Don't need a ton. Let's see what happens. Oh, probably turn the key. Oops, might have just f***ed up my belt. Still good. Alright, we got that belt installed. And I'm gonna start it again and see if it drives. I mean, fresh plugs. That would suck if I towed it home just for having fouled plugs, but I didn't have any extra plugs on this thing. They were all kind of old. Well, I guess it was just plugs. That's awesome. I think I might go for a ride. It's a pretty day. Come here, bear. All right, rad. Stay tuned. I guess this thing's still working, so can't beat that.